Hey, it's Ronan Segal, your accordion teacher. We have another Weird Al song. This time it's called My Baby's in Love with Eddie Vedder. Eddie Vedder from Pearl Jam. Let's have a listen and let's figure the song out by ear. I'll walk you through the process of how I figured the song out by ear. There are detailed lessons about the techniques that I'm doing over on accordionlove.com. Sign up for a free 3-day trial. Let's have a listen. Amazing. My hand landed on the C major. This song is in C major. Has that kind of Zydeco Cajun feel. So, a few things that are running through my head. I'm a little bit familiar with the blues, and I know that there's a bit of a crossover between blues accordion and I'm going to call it Cajun Zydeco accordion. I'm just generalizing right now. 3 very different types of music. But I know that there's a commonality, and given the root, given the key of C major, in my mind, I know what a blues in C major sounds like. I know that we have a 1, a C major. I know we'll have an F, and I know we'll have a G. And I know that the 7 chord, the C7, will make it bluesy. The F7 will make it bluesy, and the G7 will make it bluesy as well. So that little riff will be made up of a blues scale. I have full lesson on Accordion Love, and we also did a monthly challenge about the blues scale. So is made up of those notes. I think that's what it is. Let's listen. Something like that, right? Let's listen. Do-da-da-da-da-da. So. Right, again, I'm doing a playback exercise, but it's all based on that C major. G, C. C, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. F, there's that 4. C. G. C. So, what do we do with this song? It's a classic blues, Zydeco, Cajun kind of song. If you have a backing band, great. Otherwise, you're you're improvising over the blues scale. The minor pentatonic scale. I believe that's what it's called. I'll share a link over on the Accordion Love forum. We had a monthly challenge where I made a backing track, or maybe we used a backing track of just like a blues. Let me show you what I mean. Here's how I would practice this. I'm just going to record 1, 2, 3 using my loop pedal. 1, 2, 3. So that's what's happening in the background. Record yourself on the phone, and then you're going to practice the blues scale over this. And again, the lyrics come over it. So, a fairly straightforward song with awesome lyrics. And again, underneath it, we have the song template of the 1 chord, C, the 5 chord, G, even though it's a G7, and we also have the 4 chord, F. And your task is to make it musical. So learn your blues scale. Come up with interesting riffs. Look at my students doing that in the monthly challenge. Other people just like me and you. And then bring it all together with your voice as well. Coming up with a really fun rhythm using chords on your right hand and your left hand. I hope that helps. Not an overly difficult song, but really make it your own and make it awesome. Thank you very much.